We have that alert day for brutal heat and humidity, especially as many of you will be traveling along those roads that are right there adjacent to Camden Yards here today. So it's going to be a hot one, not only at the game, but going into the game, coming out of the game. So make sure that you're hydrating every step of the way. Tomorrow it's steam and then storms. So the morning hours feature the heat, the humidity, the air that's you can wear, and then the afternoon and evening hours, some pretty disruptive thunderstorms in the form of some damaging winds and even some flash flooding. Friday is one of those days where it's not really looks, but it's the feel. It's going to be a day where it's cloudy, a little showery, some sprinkles, but it feels so much better outside. And then we clean up the skies for the weekend where we both get the good feel and the good looking sky. 97 degrees today is our forecast high. This is why we have an alert day in effect here. 105, it feels like temperature, not just for an hour or two. We're talking about probably 7 or 8 hours of that temperature feeling higher than 100 degrees. 75 in Baltimore right now. When you see the dew point of 74, that's like being in Fort Lauderdale here with even higher heat than Florida today. 92 in the Inner Harbor, 85 Towson, 87 Pikesville, 91 Curtis Bay. Across the state, it's a sultry, warm summer morning as we finish the last days of July. Hazy, hot, and humid is the call for today. So that means if you're going to the daytime game, first pitch 12:35, these numbers are a little deceptive. They're going to feel like 105 on the field. Could there be a rain delay? There could be with an isolated thunderstorm possible, but that's pretty much the exception, not the rule today. Tomorrow, whole different story. So it's about the heat and the spike in those temperatures that can really take it out of you if you're not careful. So make sure that you are taking some breaks in the AC if possible, and even a cool shower can help in weather like this. Brutal heat and humidity. Most of us dry, but a few neighborhoods get a strong thunderstorm. 76 degrees here for tonight. Tomorrow, heat will build very quickly, and that heat and humidity will fuel storms. By lunchtime, we are looking at heavy thunderstorms developing and into the afternoon hours. 3 to 8 p.m. is the window of lines of storms marching through the metro, which could have damaging winds and also the risk of some flash flooding. So an alert day from steamy to stormy weather. That timeline 1 to 9 p.m. for the strongest storms, and travel impacts. You better believe they will be likely both by road, possibly by rail, and definitely some airport delays as those planes have to re-navigate around those storms. 90 on Thursday, 77. There's the break in the heat and humidity on Friday. Still gray though. Sunshine both Saturday and Sunday will lead to picture perfect weather.